1991 Toyota pickup 4x4. Price $39,900. Estimated payment $284 a month. The 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4 represents a completely different philosophy. It is famous worldwide for being one of the most durable pickup trucks ever built. Character and philosophy. Toyota built this truck with one goal: reliability. No unnecessary luxury. No complicated systems. Just a vehicle designed to work every day in harsh conditions. Its design is simple, functional, and honest. Engine and capability. Toyota's engines from this era are legendary for their durability. The 4x4 system gives this pickup excellent off-road performance, making it popular among farmers, adventurers, and utility workers. This is a truck built to survive. Pros: 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4. Legendary reliability and durability. Strong off-road capability. Better fuel efficiency. Easy and affordable maintenance. Practical for daily use. Cons: 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4. Very basic interior. Lower collector prestige than the Ford. Modest engine performance. Less visual impact. Minimal comfort features. Interim conclusion. The Toyota pickup is a tool, not a trophy. It focuses on function over style. Direct comparison. Category 1953 Ford F1001991 Toyota. Pickup era classic American modern classic Japanese purpose collectible utility. And off-road comfort very low moderate reliability high. With care, extremely. High price high lower collector value very high medium. Final price verdict. End of video. Most expensive. 1953 Ford F100 pickup. $49,900. Estimated payment $367 a month. Cheapest option 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4. $39,900. Estimated payment $284 a month. Closing or call to action. Now it's your turn. Would you choose the classic American icon, the 1953 Ford F100, or the legendary reliability of the 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4? Leave your choice in the comments below. Like this video if you love pickup trucks, and subscribe for more classic vehicle comparisons. Check out this beautiful 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4. This Toyota was owned and meticulously cared for since new and has just under 72,000 original miles. This pickup has been finished in glossy red paint and features Decal Graphics. Drop-in bed liner. 15-foot polished aluminum wheels wrapped in General Grabber AT tires. Sliding rear window and chrome bumpers. Under the hood sits a 22 REI4 engine with electronic fuel injection. Power is sent to the road through a 5-speed manual transmission and an open rear. End with 4.10:1. Gear ratio. Additional features include 4x4 power steering and Power Brakes.This Toyota drives amazing and is ready for the next adventure on or off the trail. The interior of this '91 Toyota is gorgeous and in pristine condition. Take a look inside to see this pickup sporting bench seating, shoulder seat belts with a third passenger lap belt, grey cloth and vinyl upholstery throughout, grey carpeting,